Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I just finished my duty and I'm going home now. I just look around here. Yeah, there was a rain a while ago, and now the sun is there again, coming out. They are building a yacht in there, and that one is a police yacht. I actually stopped here because there are a couple who stopped in there. I'm waiting them to get down, and now I can go. Yesterday, those those guys who they tried this bike, all of them, 6 of them, they tried one by one, and yeah, I was was a little bit scared that they might be involved in an accident. The good thing is that yeah, right now I'm here in the marina and I'm having this coffee. I bought from there, $5. It's okay. Just have a look here. Nothing special. Yeah, today is cloudy, as you can see. There's supposed to be a sunset down there, but nothing might. Hey, you know what? I am going on like a 3 weeks vacation, and I think I am going to do a tour around Australia. Not around Australia, but you know, with my bike. I'll go from, of course, from here going to maybe Brisbane with my bike. Yeah, not totally with my bike, but just, I mean, with my bike, but I'm going to ride a train because, you know, it is allowed to take the bike in the train. Yeah, and yeah, some of my colleagues knows that already, and they are keep on telling me that I should be careful when I go to Queensland because there are crocodiles in the swamp, in the watery area. Yeah. My bike and my laundry. Yeah, I just put my laundry outside, you know. I washed that laundry this morning before going to work. Yeah, I actually wake up at around maybe 3:45. Normally I wake up at 4 o'clock, but you know, it was the laundry. Yeah, so I wake up early, and then when I check, I was about to put that outside, but then when I check the telephone, it shows that there is like a 50% chance of rain. Yeah, so I just keep it in the laundry area and I go to work. Yeah, now I come back home and I just put it outside. Yeah, look, I will show you the people who do traveling here in Australia with their bicycle. Like this guy is Mr. Chris Rutherford, and I've seen a lot of videos of him traveling around Australia with his bike. Yeah, but you know, I'm not going to Outback. I think that's very far. Yeah, like this one also. This one is also with Mr. Chris. Kosciuszko National Park is I think it's in New South Wales. This area is becoming snowy during winter, so these days for sure it is snowy. And then there is also this guy, but this guy is traveling around Norway. Yeah, I mean around Europe with his bike also. But this guy is Australian. Look at this.
Oh my god.
This guy get inside the tunnel and it's very dark that he can't really see the way.
No, that's bad. That's very bad. That's good. Alright. Oh shit, is there a car behind me? No, just this one. Oh, that was, oh, I'm getting rained on. It's like a celebration. No hands! No hands!
Yeah, mate, that is what I'm watching these days about bike packing. You know, the things that I need to bring. Yeah, look, he's building a...
Anyway, I've been thinking a lot about, I guess like kind of going back to Australia and getting a job. I'm kind of in two minds about it, you know, like part of me says like...
Yeah, in the future, I'm also planning to bike tour around Europe. Yeah, mate, I don't know, I like it much.